This place gives me the creeps. Don't tell me you're getting cold feet already. My heart is pounding like a drum. People say strange house in years. People say strange noises. Hold your horses. Did you hear that whisper? All right, let me tell you the terrifying story behind this house. Years ago, a mysterious painter lived here alone. They say he painted strange portraits every midnight. That already sounds fishy. What happened to him? One stormy night, he vanished into thin air. You're pulling my leg, right? I wish I were. But people still hear footsteps upstairs. You're pulling out alone. Something feels off. But people hear footsteps upstairs. Keep your eyes peeled. Ah! I nearly jumped out of my skin. There's no way I'm ever setting foot in this place again.